Hey everyone, Sia here on Mobile Munch. Today, we're diving into the world of the iQOO Z9 Pro 5G, a smartphone that boasts a stunning AMOLED display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery, all wrapped in a sleek design. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Immersive display with blazing fast refresh rate. The iQOO Z9 Pro 5G takes center stage with a gorgeous 6.77-inch AMOLED display. This display offers not only vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible contrast, but also a smooth 120Hz refresh rate for a super responsive and fluid experience, perfect for gaming, watching videos, and scrolling through social media. With a peak brightness of 4500 nits, you'll enjoy clear visuals even outdoors on a bright sunny day. Short Sensation protects the display from scratches and accidental drops. Unleash the power with cutting-edge processor. The iQOO Z9 Pro 5G is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, built on a 4nm process for improved efficiency and power. Paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, this combination should provide smooth performance for everyday tasks, gaming, and multitasking. You can choose between 128GB or 256GB of storage, ensuring you have enough space for your apps, photos, and videos. While it might not be the most powerful phone on the market, it offers enough processing muscle for most users. Versatile camera system captures stunning moments. The iQOO Z9 Pro 5G boasts a dual camera system on the back. The main 50MP sensor with OIS, optical image stabilization, and PDAF, phase detection autofocus, is designed to capture stunning photos and videos, even in low light conditions. The 8MP ultra-wide sensor lets you capture expansive landscapes and group shots. Features like LED flash, panorama, and HDR allow for creative photography. The phone can record videos in up to 4K resolution at 60 FPS. On the front, a 16MP selfie camera ensures you look your best in video calls and selfies. Both the main and selfie cameras can record videos in up to 1080p resolution at 30 FPS. Designed for the modern user. The iQOO Z9 Pro 5G boasts a sleek design with a combination of glass and plastic. A fingerprint sensor under the display provides convenient security access. The phone comes with an IP64 water and dust resistance rating, providing peace of mind against splashes and accidental spills. The phone also supports 24-bit, 192kHz high-res audio for high-quality audio playback. Long-lasting battery with fast charging. The iQOO Z9 Pro 5G packs a 5500 mAh battery, promising long battery life on a single charge for most users. When you do need to top up, the phone supports 80W wired fast charging, which can reportedly get you to 50% in just 21 minutes, perfect for those who are always on the go. The phone also supports reverse wired charging, allowing you to use it as a power bank for other devices. A stylish mid-ranger with impressive features. With a starting price of around 24,999 rupees, the iQOO Z9 Pro 5G offers a compelling package for users looking for a stylish phone with a high refresh rate display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery. The phone boasts a sleek design, water resistance, fast charging, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. While it might not have the most powerful processor on the market, it offers enough performance for most users. Looking for a phone with a beautiful display, a capable camera system, and a long-lasting battery? The iQOO Z9 Pro 5G might be worth considering. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the iQOO Z9 Pro 5G. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Mobile Munch for more tech reviews.